you have sunburn, then this video is for you. And if you don't, and you know somebody that have sunburn, then share this video to the person. So if you are wondering what sunburn looks like, this is what sunburn looks like for you. You don't need too many products when you are trying to clear out your sunburn. Yes, you don't need too many products when you're trying to clear out your sunburn. This product I will introduce you to will help you clear out your sunburn within 2 months if you are consistent. The first product that you'll be needing is an aloe vera gel. The aloe vera gel that you'll be using it as a mask. When you want to sleep at night, you apply it all over your face. You don't even have to use harsh products when you're using aloe vera gel. You don't need exfoliant, you don't need lactic acid, you don't need glycolic acid, you don't need retinol when you are clearing out your sunburn and when you are using the aloe vera gel. So when you want to use the aloe vera gel as a mask, what you are going to do is you're going to just apply it all over your face on days that you don't use any skincare at night. The next product that you'll be needing is Kojivit Ultra Gel. This was a product I used that helped me clear out my sunburn. How will you use your Kojivit Ultra Gel? Kojivit Ultra Gel is a product that you will use on days that you are at home or only at night. You use this product 3 times in a week. You don't have to use it every time in a week. You use it 3 times in a week to see results. And this product is going to help you clear out your sunburn. And the next product that you'll be needing is a sunscreen. When you're talking about sunscreen, I'm talking about a sunscreen that have full coverage. Yes, there are different types of sunscreen. I'm not saying you should go and get expensive sunscreen, but if you get sunscreen that have really good coverage, you're covered. Have SPF 50. Last tip is you'll be needing a good moisturizer. When I'm talking about a good moisturizer, you are needing a lightweight moisturizer. Yes, you can go for cheap moisturizer, affordable moisturizer to use in your routine, and also you can go for calm and soothing toners for your routine. When I'm talking about calm and soothing toners, you can go for affordable toners that will help you clear out your sunburn. This was helpful. If it's helpful to you, then follow and like my post for more videos like this.